guys, it's your girl Ari back with another video. And on this video, even though it's short, I will be showing you how to do the pop-off method. This is for practice, you know, if you can't wear your nails all day, so you can just pop them off and go about your day. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you know when I upload videos. And let's get into it. So basically, I just took the cuticle oil and I applied it on my fingers first. And next, I'm gonna go in with my top coat. So I'm gonna put 2 layers of top coat down. So I'll do 1 layer, cure it, come back and do another layer and cure it, and then proceed with the process of applying nail tips. So I'm gonna let y'all watch. So this is the second coat I'm applying, and it works for me. Like I said, I seen this on YouTube, so I figure I'll bring it to y'all, to my channel. And this is about like 2 years ago. I don't even know who it was that I seen it, but this works for me. Like I said, if it don't work for you, you find something else, that's cool. But I've done maybe 10 sets using this pop-off method, and I had no problem. So I'm gonna let y'all finish watching. So I already laid out my tips. Like I said, this video is short, so I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I put them on with the nail glue and how I pop them off. So I have a video where I had did it, you know, like a full set. Well, not a full set, like I did my hand, and then I'll show you how I ended up popping them off. So you just wanna take your glue and apply it like you normally do. You was doing it, you know, your hand. So at first when I tried this, like I said, I learned this 2 years ago. When I first tried it, it didn't work. It did not work at all. Like, I don't know what I did. So I waited patiently and tried it again, and it worked. So, but yeah, like this pinky, my pinky was like crooked anyway. So that's why I was having a hard time putting this on. But I'm gonna let y'all watch. take my 80/80 grit file and I'll season it first before I even go about filing, which if y'all watch my videos, I'll show y'all how to do it. So basically, you just want to go and shape your nail. And be careful, because even with this pop-off method, like, it's a pop-off method. Like, you could actually pop this off before you even try to put acrylic on. So just be careful. And I should have left it in, but I had it where I did this one, and I had to re-record because I was filing it, and it popped off. Like, it lifted, like, it just peeled off. And I'm like, dang, I didn't get to finish it. So, yeah. So you just shape it like you do your nail. A normal set. You just gotta be careful. And I told you, I'm super rough with my nail file. Only on my hand anyway. But I'll let y'all watch. So this is how they look after I shaped them, and I only use my hand file for the sake of this video. I didn't want to pull up my e-file and do all that extra stuff because you're only practicing. This is only for practice. Like, if you want to wear your nails outside, you probably could, but I don't know, they probably pop off if you hit them because they're so thin. So yeah, I did a little practice set, and this is how you pop them off. Look how easy that is. Just wiggle. Pow. Now the index, I had a hard time, so I didn't show you how to do it, or the thumb. So guess what they look like. I had to end up cracking my index because I think I had the glue stuck to the side of my skin, and I didn't want to rip it off, so I just ended up cutting it. And then it ended up popping off actually after I cut it. But there you have it. That's my pop-off method. My nails was already messed up anyway because I had just took a set off. So as always, thank y'all for liking, subscribing, and watching, and I'll see y'all back with another video.